Look what we got here. So this is another simple one. You're gonna love it. This is a ham that's already been cooked that we bought at the grocery store. We put it in our outdoor oven, AKA the grill, indirect heat. So I put it in here for 4 hours, indirect heat, about 225 or so, and I've been glazing it with Havana Gold. So little by little, you're glazing it, glazing it, glazing it. You're just, you know, and this is the finished product of it. This is something for the holidays. You can have a quick holiday ham, you know, within about a couple of hours by doing this process. And I'll tell you what, the Havana Gold is absolutely the right product for this. I guarantee it. All right. This looks beautiful. All right. Oh my goodness. Look at that. It just smells awesome. Gotta try it. You got the smokiness coming through, but then the sweetness and that little bit of heat from Havana Gold with that ham is the perfect combination. You gotta try it.